Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is parallel lines and perpendicular lines. In this one, we are going to see the definitions for parallel lines and the perpendicular lines. So, what exactly the parallel lines? Parallel lines means this word is meaning parallel means samantar. Okay, we can say, or we can say equal distance, or we can say equidistance means this lines every point is having the equidistance with respect to the other lines respective point I am saying. Okay, means that is a distance from this point and this point is same as this distance and this distance. So this line and this lines means, suppose this is a line A B and this is a M N. Okay, like this, here line L is shown and here line M is shown. Now these two lines are parallel means if you are extending this line any up to the 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 1,000 kilometer, up to the sun, or up to the infinite, these two lines are never intersect. I'm again repeating, parallel line means these two lines if we are extending up to the both the end. Okay, if for the infinite distance means continuously we are continuously extending up to the 1 kilometer, 1,000, 1 lakh, any kilometers. Okay, they will never intersect means like this one, this is the intersect point, means they will not meet each other. Okay, then these two lines are called a parallel lines. Now you can see the railway rules, or we can say railway lines, that is a these lines, or we can say the railway tracks, these are the parallel to each other, they are the equal distance. Okay, then only the wheels are can be run on this one. Okay, so that is a one best example. Or another way, if you have the rectangular square table, okay, study table, so you can see opposite sides edges, or we can say, suppose this is a table. Okay, so this side and these sides are parallel. Okay, they are not meeting with each other, even these lines and these lines are parallel. Okay, so this is a definition of the parallel lines. Now up to the perpendicular means the lines which are intersecting, now they are intersecting at point, but intersecting with 90 degree means the right angle only, not lesser than 90 degree or not more than the 90 degree. So then they are calling it the these lines are perpendicular with each other, perpendicular to each other, that is means this q line is perpendicular to p, or p line is perpendicular to the q. Now if any one line is here 90 degree means, of course its opposite, this one and this one and this one, all are the this 90 degree, this is also the 90 degree, this is also the 90 degree, if any one is a 90 degree out of these four angles. Okay, so they are the perpendicular. Now perpendicular and the parallel lines, how they are denoting. Now this is the symbol of the parallel, means vertical two lines. Okay, this is the symbol of the parallel lines, and this like this invert t is like this one and invert t is like this one. Okay, so this is a symbol of the perpendicular, means this is a one line and perpendicular to the another line, that is a, we can say, the denotion. So this is the denotions of the perpendicular and this is the denotions of the parallel line. So these are the only two definitions in this topic, which is very easy, and always we remember this one, perpendicular line and parallel line. Okay, so now there are the four informative questions. Okay, so question number 1, two lines which are perpendicular to a line, means two lines are there. Okay, perpendicular, now this is a one line. Okay, perpendicular to the line, and another one, this is a lines. Now this line is perpendicular to this line, and this line also perpendicular, this means this is a 90 degree and this is also the 90 degree with these lines. Then we can say these two lines are parallel. Okay, because this is a perpendicular to here, this is 90 degree and this is also the 90 degree. Okay, and with the same one line, then we can say these are the two parallel lines. So lines are parallel, means option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 2, if two parallel lines are increased again, means same I am saying, if two parallel line, now this is are the two lines increase again means in any point here or here. Okay, if they are increasing, what will happen? They will not meet each other, then only we are saying that is a parallel, because they are parallel lines. Okay, so they will intersect each other immediately. No, this is incorrect. After some increasing they will intersect. No, this is also the incorrect. They will not intersect. Yes, this is the they will not intersect, means option number 3 is the correct one. And should coincide. No, they will not coincide each other, means intersecting each other. So option number 4, 3 and 1 are incorrect. Only option number 3 is the correct one. Now, question number 3. Adjacent sides of square are dash dash to each other. Now, here the square means I will just mark out in the square. So, this is the diagram. Okay, adjacent means here, and these are the, we can say, equal distance symbol. Equal distance symbol. Okay, means this line's length is equals to other all the lines length, means all the sides are equal lengths. Okay, and we can say this is the A, B, C and D. So this is a square. Okay, so adjacent side of the square. Square means all the sides are equal length and this angle are in 90 degree. Okay, so each other means they are the perpendicular to each other. Okay, this line is perpendicular to this one, this line is perpendicular to this one, this line is perpendicular to this one, and this one is perpendicular to this one. All are in perpendicular, so means option number 2 is a correct one. Now, question number 4. The opposite sides of the rectangulars are parallel. Okay, means if suppose this, sorry, this is the rectangular. Okay, this side and this side parallel, like our table edge, this side and this side are there will be parallel. So parallel means option number 3 is correct. Thank you.